Imagine waking up in the dead of night, gasping for air in a room that feels exactly like a suffocating oven. The thermometer reads 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and the power grid has just failed due to massive overload. Your expensive air conditioner is now nothing but a useless, silent plastic box hanging on the wall. Sweat pours down your face as a battery-powered fan merely pushes hot, stagnant air from one corner of the room to the other. This is not a dramatic scene from a dystopian survival movie. This is the brutal reality millions of people face every single year during deadly summer heat waves. We have been conditioned by society to believe that without electricity and complex machinery, we are completely helpless against the boiling heat. We pay hundreds of dollars to power corporations every single month, trapping ourselves in a fragile cycle of dependency. But what if I told you that everything you know about surviving extreme heat is a modern lie? What if the ultimate off-grid cooling solution costs exactly $5, uses absolutely zero electricity, and was perfected over 3,000 years ago? Long before the invention of toxic refrigerants and massive energy grids, ancient Persian architects engineered a miraculous way to drop indoor temperatures by up to 27 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle of the unforgiving desert. They did not use loud compressors or massive amounts of power. They used the natural wind, a splash of water, and a simple, highly porous black rock. When I first stumbled upon this ancient survival mechanism during a crippling heat wave in my own sweltering apartment, I was deeply skeptical. I bought a cheap bag of activated charcoal from a local pet store for just $7. I built the exact setup in under 15 minutes using items I already had lying around. 2 hours later, I watched in pure disbelief as the thermometer in my room plummeted by a full 7 degrees Fahrenheit. This is not a backyard myth or some unverified internet rumor. Multiple peer-reviewed studies, including rigorous research published in the Journal of Engineering and Applied Science, have documented these passive charcoal coolers dropping ambient temperatures by a staggering 15 degrees Celsius. That is the profound difference between suffering a heat stroke and sleeping peacefully through the hottest night of the year. It is the literal difference between life and death for vulnerable animals trapped in sweltering barns, chicken coops, and outdoor kennels. Let us travel back in time to the ancient city of Yazd in Iran. This is a place situated in one of the driest, most brutal deserts on Earth, yet it has been continuously inhabited for over 7,000 years. Summer temperatures there regularly exceed 104 degrees Fahrenheit, a level of heat that breaks modern infrastructure. To survive and thrive, the ancient builders constructed towering shafts called badgirs, or windcatchers, directly into their homes. These architectural marvels caught the prevailing desert winds and channeled the blistering air downward into the living quarters. But before that scorching air ever touched a human being, it was forced through saturated clay pots and wet charcoal placed carefully at the base of the shaft. The transformation was instantaneous and nothing short of miraculous. The deadly desert wind was stripped of its heat, entering the living spaces up to 22 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than the outside air. They mastered off-grid survival millennia ago, while we foolishly surrounded ourselves with air conditioners and forgot our own history. When your AC unit breaks down in the third week of a deadly July heat wave, you are left completely defenseless and vulnerable. This $5 charcoal system changes the power dynamic entirely, handing you back the ultimate control over your environment and your safety. The secret lies in a microscopic world that completely defies human logic. You are about to discover how a single gram of this dark material contains more surface area than an entire apartment, turning a gentle breeze into a powerful freezing mechanism. The science behind this ancient survival trick is rooted in the very same mechanism that keeps your own body alive during extreme heat. You already know that evaporation cools things down, as sweat pulls heat directly from your skin to lower your core temperature. The hotter and drier the surrounding air is, the faster and more violently this biological cooling system operates. This is precisely why 104 degrees in the dry Arizona desert feels entirely survivable, while 86 degrees in humid Montreal feels like a suffocating punishment. What activated charcoal does is take that fundamental law of physics and supercharge it to a level that seems almost impossible. A single gram of activated charcoal possesses a microscopic surface area ranging between 500 and 1,500 square meters. That is not a typographical error or an exaggeration. One single gram, a piece of material roughly the size of your thumbnail, holds the surface area of a small apartment folded into its porous structure. It is the most porous natural material known to exist on the planet. All of those millions of microscopic, jagged pores act as tiny reservoirs holding water. When warm, dry air is forced to move across that immense wet surface, evaporation happens on a massive, unprecedented scale. The hot air violently loses its thermal energy during this phase change. It comes out the other side noticeably cooler, but the miracle does not stop at mere temperature reduction. The air that passes through this dark matrix emerges fundamentally cleaner and purer than before. Activated charcoal simultaneously absorbs and chemically binds to dangerous volatile organic compounds, foul odors, airborne bacteria, and even toxic mold spores. This is the exact same premium material that elite water filter manufacturers use to purify your drinking water. It is the exact same substance packed inside heavy, expensive air purifiers that retail for hundreds of dollars in high-end stores. Yet, this humble pile of black rocks performs that exact same job passively, continuously, and entirely for free, as long as you keep it slightly damp. One single shallow tray of this material is cooling the air, aggressively filtering toxins, and neutralizing foul odors all at the same time for just $7. If you live off-grid, manage a homestead, or simply care for animals, this secondary function alone is worth its weight in gold. The overwhelming stench that builds up inside animal enclosures during the boiling summer heat is a toxic cocktail of ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and dangerous organic compounds. Activated charcoal is scientifically documented to chemically absorb and eradicate these exact airborne toxins. You are not just masking the terrible smell with some cheap chemical spray. You are chemically and physically stripping the danger right out of the air they breathe. For a backyard chicken coop roasting in the cruel July sun, this is no longer just a minor comfort upgrade. Heat stress in poultry begins at 86 degrees Fahrenheit and rapidly becomes a fatal nightmare once the temperature crosses the 100-degree mark. Anything that drastically drops the incoming air temperature and purifies it simultaneously is an absolute welfare necessity. You now possess the knowledge of a 3,000-year-old engineering marvel, but to deploy it correctly, you must acquire the right materials and avoid a catastrophic mistake that renders the entire system useless. The exact components you need are incredibly cheap and readily available, provided you know exactly what to look for on the store shelves. You might rush to the nearest grocery store and grab a heavy bag of standard barbecue briquettes, thinking you have just outsmarted the system. That is a fatal mistake that will leave you sweating in a pool of your own frustration. Barbecue charcoal is a completely different dense material that lacks the miraculous microscopic porous structure required for massive evaporation. It will sit there like a useless pile of dirty rocks while your room continues to bake. You must specifically hunt down pure activated charcoal, the exact kind sold for heavy-duty aquarium filters or specialized horticultural use. You can easily find a 500-gram bag of these loose, black granules at any local pet store or online for a mere $5 to $8. This tiny investment is enough to fill a standard baking tray and transform your living space into a sanctuary of relief. The vessel you choose to hold this dark miracle is equally important, yet brilliantly simple. Find a shallow container, a baking pan, a plastic storage tray, or even a scrap wooden box lined with waterproof plastic sheeting. Spread the activated charcoal evenly until it forms a solid layer roughly 3 to 5 centimeters deep. Now comes the crucial moment where physics meets survival. Slowly pour fresh water over the dark granules until they are fully saturated and moisture just begins to pool at the bottom. Let this concoction absorb the life-giving liquid for exactly 5 minutes. Then, you must tip the tray and drain away any standing, stagnant water. You want the charcoal thoroughly wet, mimicking a damp, heavy sponge, but absolutely never sitting in drowning puddles. If the charcoal is completely submerged, the hot air cannot pass over the millions of microscopic pores, and the evaporative cooling engine instantly dies. But building the tray is only half the battle in this war against the heat. Where you place this defensive weapon dictates whether you sleep in comfort or suffer through the night. A damp charcoal tray sitting pointlessly on a coffee table in the exact middle of your room does almost nothing. The cooled, moist air simply rises and mixes with the stagnant heat, entirely bypassing the space where you actually sit or sleep. You must strategically position the tray flat on the floor, directly in the path of the primary air intake. Place it right at the base of your coolest open window or beneath the crack of a drafty door where outside air forces its way inside. For a truly passive, zero-electricity survival system, let the natural evening breeze do the heavy lifting. But if you want to aggressively drop the temperature, aim a small, battery-powered USB fan directly across the wet surface. This forced airflow violently accelerates the evaporation rate, multiplying the cooling effect and sending a steady wave of chilled, purified air straight toward you. Every single morning, as the relentless sun rises, your tray will have dried out from the continuous overnight evaporation. A dry tray of charcoal is nothing more than a useless decoration. Take 30 seconds to pour a fresh cup of water over the granules, and your silent cooling engine roars back to life for another brutal day. For a standard bedroom, a cramped home office, or a suffocating camper van, one single baking tray is a profound game changer. For larger, more punishing spaces, you simply scale the operation up by placing 2 or 3 trays at different critical air intake points to compound the freezing effect. You can even build a rugged, wall-mounted version using scrap wood and hardware mesh to physically trap the breeze before it ever enters your sanctuary. However, nature always demands honesty, and there is one crucial environmental factor that determines the absolute success of this ancient technology. You must understand how invisible atmospheric moisture dictates the rules of this survival game before you rely on it blindly. The dark, undeniable secret of evaporative cooling is that it absolutely despises a saturated, heavy sky. If you happen to live in the suffocating, muggy environments of the Gulf Coast or the deep southeast, the atmospheric air is already choking with significant moisture. In these oppressive conditions, the violent evaporation rate that powers this ancient machine slows down to a frustrating crawl. But do not despair and carelessly abandon this 3,000-year-old survival tactic just yet. While you might not experience a dramatic 14-degree drop in ambient heat, you will still secure a highly noticeable and comforting 5-degree Fahrenheit reduction in your room. More importantly, the life-saving air filtration benefit remains absolutely uncompromised, regardless of how humid your stifling environment gets. Unlike fragile modern appliances that constantly demand expensive replacement filters and professional maintenance, this primitive system demands almost nothing from you. After a month or two of continuously stripping thermal heat and toxic odors from your breathing air, the microscopic pores of your activated charcoal will eventually fill up. You do not throw it away in defeat and buy a new bag from the corporate supply chain. You simply take the wet, exhausted granules and spread them out flat on a baking tray directly under the blazing sun. Leave them there for a single full day of relentless UV exposure and intense natural heat. The scorching sun will violently release the absorbed organic compounds and reset the dark material completely back to its full, maximum capacity. One single $7 bag, if properly respected and maintained, will easily last you through an entire brutal summer season without failing. Now I want you to sit back in your chair and truly calculate the hidden cost of our modern ignorance. A standard North American air conditioning unit violently hums for roughly 750 hours every single summer season. It mercilessly drains anywhere from $150 to $400 directly from your bank account just to keep you from boiling alive in your own home. It heavily relies on toxic, planet-destroying refrigerant emissions to function. It constantly demands expensive, highly trained technicians when its fragile internal components inevitably fail. And make no mistake, it always fails precisely during the 3rd week of a deadly July heatwave, leaving you helpless, wide awake, and sweating in the terrifying dark. The passive, silent survival system I just revealed to you costs less than a cheap, greasy fast food meal. It runs entirely on invisible gravity, ambient wind, and a single cup of tap water. It continuously cools and aggressively deodorizes the air in your master bedroom, your barn, your greenhouse, or your off-grid camper van simultaneously. Ancient Persian architects deliberately engineered this exact biological life hack into their massive civic buildings 3 millennia ago. Those towering mud brick buildings are miraculously still standing today, silently mocking our fragile, grid-dependent society. We did not forget this brilliant survival mechanism because it mysteriously stopped working. We foolishly forgot it because greedy corporations figured out a highly profitable way to sell us a loud, fragile machine that permanently chains us to an electrical wall socket. Now you finally hold the ancient knowledge required to unplug from their greedy system and survive the heat entirely on your own terms. If this hidden survival tactic gave you the absolute upper hand today, you must immediately share it with someone who is about to waste their hard-earned money on useless cooling gadgets this summer. Hitting that subscribe button is the only way this channel, Primal Methods, can continue digging up these forgotten life-saving secrets to keep you alive and independent. The modern power grid will eventually fail us all, but if you heed this warning, you will be the only one left standing in the cool breeze.